Just in case you need another reason to be happy you live in southeast Louisiana, take a look at this. Snow is blanketing the ground in the north and in the south. On the left is a look at Lubbock, Texas, where snow has been falling today. On the right is a part of the country that's used to getting snow. That's in Minnesota. While we haven't been dealing with snow here, we have been dealing with some mist on and off throughout the day. WDSU Exact Weather Chief Meteorologist Margaret Orr is here. Margaret, more of the same in store.
You know, who can complain about a temperature of 70, 71, or even 74 degrees on December 27th? I'm not complaining.
No, ma'am.
Now, you look out the window, we've got some fog out there. In Galliano, visibility down to 1/4 of a mile, so that's not good. But here is a look at what's happening. We do have that flood watch in effect, the potential 1 to 4 additional inches of rain, and some locations got 2 to 3 inches of rain today. So here's what's happening, and there's not a lot of activity out there right now, but it is going to increase. So we can zoom in. Sure enough, seeing some showers moving right across I-10. It's near Gramercy at this time. And then on the north shore, a little bit of rain moving through Kentwood. It's moving into southwest Mississippi. A few little spritzels over here along the Mississippi Gulf Coast. The truth is there's a whole lot of mist out there. To the west, that's where we're seeing the thunderstorms near Lafayette, extending northeast, just to the north of Baton Rouge over time. That is going to move east. It's going to move through, and we are going to get more rain. So as we look at the big picture, the heaviest rain has actually been over Mississippi. This is where they've got that flash flood watch. The cold front still to the west. It's going to be moving through in the morning. High temperatures likely in the morning hours. And then look at this. We've got an upper level low that's going to slowly move our way. And because it's going to move so slowly, we're going to continue with rain chances all the way through Sunday night. And we have had plenty of rain in a few locations where you're seeing this green stripe just west of the metro. 2 to even over 3 inches of rain into the southeast portion of Louisiana. Over here at the airport, 1/2 inch of rain. And then some of the heavier rainfall, Franklinton over 2.5 inches, Bogalusa 2 1/3, Ponchatoula, heard from Kathy, almost 2 inches of rain. Love this twit pic from Scott Pelier. Shows that we've got a south wind. That's why we were so warm. 71 degrees today, but the warm spot at the lakefront and also over towards Galliano hit 74. There's the cool air. I promise you, it's moving our way, and it's going to be pushing through, especially you will notice it Monday into Tuesday and Wednesday. Right now it's 69, a south wind pumping in the warm, moist air. 70 being reported right now at Belle Chase, the airport 69, Houma 69, Gulfport 64 degrees. And we're a good bit warmer than we were yesterday at this time. Again, it's because of that southerly flow. Now, what's interesting, we've got a south wind moving over the cooler waters. Water temperatures are generally in the 50s to near 60 degrees, and that's why we've got this fog developing over towards Galliano, visibility down to 1/4 of a mile. So we do have a dense fog advisory in effect for area lakes and right along the coast. We can check out that forecast model. Sure enough, it shows visibility really dropping at about 4 o'clock in the morning. Then that cooler, drier air begins to move in, and we're going to have the fog diminishing. So low temperatures for the most part in the low to the mid 60s. Highs will actually occur in the morning hours. In the afternoon, I think those temperatures are going to drop some more. So here's the forecast model showing highs tomorrow upper 60s, and then as we go into your Monday, high temperatures near 60, high temperatures on Tuesday near 60 degrees, and we'll have more sunshine then. 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we're in the low to the mid 60s. As you look at your Monday, the weather improves. Tuesday, it's looking really nice, kind of chilly in the morning, lows in the 40s. But by Wednesday morning, we're going to have some lows in the 30s. For the first day of the new year, high temperatures near to the low 60s, and our rain chances begin to go up. And look, we start to warm up again, too.
All right, Margaret.